Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a specific goals in ChatGPT chats. I will just tap on it, and like the best way to get goals is to update the ChatGPT memory and give them command about yourself and your goals. So I will just write on my my name is Shajil and I'm 26 and I am a video editor. I want to set my goals and learn my favorite skills related to video editing. I will just tap on it and let's see. So that's a great, Shurjit. Setting goals and focusing on learning is the key to success in video editing. Here's a structure plan to help you achieve your goals. So define your vision. If you set for short term and long term, so short term goals is to 0 to 6 months, and if you want to learn long term, so the long term goal will be goes to 1.3 years. So here is the skills to learn of software storytelling, advanced editing. So I will just tab on the top left of two lines. So from here is the video editing goals plans. So you can just save your memory will teach your new editing skills. So you just select it and learn it step by step on your daily basis. So in this way you can set your specific goals inside ChatGPT. This video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.